What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, I am going to show you how you can schedule sending an email using your Gmail. So let's do it. So first, go ahead and open up your Gmail. And from here, you can go ahead and click on Compose. And it is important to note that you can only use this feature once you selected a recipient. So from this one, let's select one of our friends from our recipient. Let's type the subject. Let's say test. And let's say this is a test for schedule. Okay, now after that, let's go ahead and look at the send button. We notice that there is actually another button here. This is a down arrow button. So let's go ahead and click on this one and click on schedule send. Now here, you can select from 3 predetermined schedules. So we have tomorrow morning, this afternoon, and Monday morning. Now, if you have another schedule in mind that is out from these selection, you can go ahead and click on pick date and time. And here, you can specify the exact date and time you want the email to be sent. So say, for example, we want to send this on Friday at, let's say, 7 a.m. Let's say 7:15 a.m. So after that, just click on schedule send, and it is going to be sent on Friday at 7:15 a.m. Now, if you decided to cancel that schedule, all you have to do is click on more and click on scheduled. So here you will see all your scheduled mail. So if you want to do something to it, you want to edit the time or you want to edit the email itself, you can go ahead and click on this email and you can click on cancel send. Now you can edit your email and you can send it again. Now after that, just the same process, you can click on the down arrow button here, click on schedule and send, choose your time and date, and you should be good to go. All right, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.